Fena na gbọn wa lọ́rọ̀ rí ẹ ti bà ẹ tí inú yéra ìyá rí orí ọba orí ọ̀nù yéra ìyá mo ti yan ọ̀sà oko rán mi wà mẹ́ ìbá gbọ́ ìta ẹ̀ àṣẹ ò ara mọ́ wẹ̀nà máa ẹ̀ máa ewu ẹ̀rì bí ọ̀gì ẹ̀fà mẹ́ wẹ̀nà gbọ́n máa ẹ̀ máa bí òkú. Where's the egbe oge bi ma e o? We mi baba o, enu do we mi baba o, nu do ri o boke agba me me degari e. We mi baba o, erega se o agama, orobo sa o, orobe yo, orobo na mure ye me o, orobo sa o, orobe yo. Ọ̀rọ̀bùn náà mú réye mẹ́wọ́ ẹ̀gẹ̀ bá gbé ìtàbẹ̀ gbọ́sẹ̀ wá kí wọ́n yá mọ́ ẹ̀gẹ̀ mi gà sẹ́nẹ̀ wẹ̀ bó rọpa ẹsẹ̀ ti dà yìí ẹ̀gẹ̀ mi gà sẹ́nẹ̀ wà sẹ́ rọpa ẹsẹ̀ ti dà yìí ẹ̀gẹ̀ mi gà sẹ́nẹ̀ odò bó rọpa ẹsẹ̀ ti dà yìí àmọ́ àmọ́ sà yé mẹ́wọ́ ẹsẹ̀ ti wọ̀ ikí mi nò sá gbọ́ èkó ẹ̀yìn mẹ́kì. If you do work, we go now. Ya mo wa go.
You wa no.
Ya mo wa go. Oh, you ma ya job as a kid. Viewer sharply on the air. People dey tap. I shock. I don't get past now.
For which one?
This is just now.
Are you serious?
1,880,000.
Hello, my brother. My brother, how about you?
That's massive.
That's massive.
Despite demolition,
Hello, Baba.
despite everything,
Baba, now you say me I come Abuja, I've been
Tony Kabaka is still very much calm, not saddened by any of this. But let it be known that this is oppression. This is oppression, and oppression should be condemned by all well-meaning people of Edo States. It could be anybody. So, me, I'm trying to imagine who's next. Who will be the next person Obateki is going to demolish his building? Who? Because we are getting some fillers already. That very soon they'll be invading Comrade Usakbama, no more less. You know, he'll be invading his own building. So, who will be next after that too? It's so unfortunate that we have such person as a governor of Edo State. It is so sad. It is sad. It's a sad one. Tony Kabaka is here. He's just trying to express himself the way he can do it. You know, because he cannot be crying. It's just to give God the glory for everything. Thank God we are alive to witness this day. Too sad, so sad. Edo people, this is the only thing we can do to condemn the act of Mr. Godwin Obaseki. God bless you all. God bless you all. We'll be coming time to time to inform me of the happenings. Please stay glued. Stay glued and keep sharing the very first video where Tony Kabaka condemned the act. You know, it's so important. Thank you very much.